Wow, you know, I really wanted to go to the beach today. I can't wait to see it. Can't wait. It's going to be awesome. Oh, great. Well, wait. Where's the water? Where is the water? This is not a beach day. Oh, I can see it. Wait, what? What? Well, at least Blackpool has water. You know, the water comes in so... I mean, it comes in, but it, it leaves enough time for the grass to grow. I like how it says, beware of soft sand and strong currents. Oh, I'm aware, all right. I'm aware. So, when the water is this far out, could you really count it as a family beach day? Or do we call it that we went to the desert day? Wow, that's actually very interesting. I think I see some Moroccans straight ahead. Wow, and deep mud. Deep mud. No, I think we're okay. I think we're okay. Which way should we go? So if we just go straight, we'll hit Blackpool. We'll hit Blackpool. So I have been here now 3 different times over the course of 8 years. And not once has there been any water here. I just have like crappy luck. And when I was up in Morecambe, water was right up to the center of the town. Right up to the center of town. Now, in all seriousness, years ago, hundreds of years ago, maybe 100 years ago, this pier wasn't right here. It actually was, if you go like a half a mile over, closer to the center of town, that's where the water used to be. And then as things changed, and then as just like between temperature changes and erosion and other stuff, this is what happened. This is exactly what happened, is that they had to keep building farther and farther out in order to accommodate the boats that would come in here. And now there are no boats coming in here. So for more perspective's sake, you go there, keep going, and going, and going, and going, and going. And then it kept going and going and going. And pretty much where the water line is now is where the original piers were. I'm looking straight ahead right now. I can see these people in the distance and it's like glistening. I swear, it's like the desert. I mean, look guys, look. You even have tracks and you don't know where they lead to. It's like people are just wasting away out here. We're so far out that this girl over here is yelling for her mother and she can't hear her. So it happens when you're in this wasteland. If you think this is a great date idea, just make sure you're watching the tides. Because in all seriousness, when this water comes in, you have a long distance to cover. We're still not, I feel like I can see the water now, but then on the other hand, it could just be heat coming off of the soil. Literally, like, look, literally, it feels like we're in the middle of nowhere. Now, granted, Blackpool is right where I'm pointing the camera right now, but you wouldn't know it. And then, look how far we've walked. And yet the waters are going to come in. And now I'm going to be told, hey, John, why didn't you just look at the tidal chart? Well, why would I do that? Who in their right mind would think that the water would go this far out? Look, it literally looks like I'm standing in the Sonoran Desert right now. Even worse, though. Maybe the Gobi. Maybe the Sahara. And the one cool thing about this area, that pier right there, it's under reconstruction. They're doing renovations to it. So we can't even enjoy that. Anyway, looks like there's a storm coming in. All right, guys. Till next time. Hopefully not from the Southport desert. Peace. Talk about extreme tides. Just need a camel or two. Just need a camel or two. Maybe some horses, some Arabians. I'm pretty sure this is how the dinosaurs died. They just kept walking and walking until nothing.